Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I will be doing this hairstyle, which is slick ponytail. I did this look in my previous video and you guys have requested me to do it, so obviously why not do it. It is really easy to create, and I really like this hairstyle. I usually end up doing this hairstyle because I think it really makes your look complete and it looks amazing with any style that you want to go with, especially when you are going out in night, something like that. And this look is especially inspired by Kim Kardashian, of course. So without any further ado, let's jump into our video. Okay, so first up, before starting, you're gonna need few things. The first thing is comb, obviously, and then like you're gonna need few of the hair ties like this, and then you're gonna need a toothbrush. I'm gonna tell you why later. And then obviously you're gonna need some hairspray, and then a round brush like that. So as you can already see that I have parted my hair, and my hair is not a very center parted hair, so I'm just gonna try to part it as center as possible. Like so. Don't worry at the back, because I think we're gonna need only this part to really see the partition. And as you can see that there's this little baby hair that is not going on this side, so we can fix that later on. So first up, I'm gonna part my hair from the center, and when I say the center, I'm gonna take my hair from the top of my ear and then on the same on the other side, and then I'm just gonna part it like that into half. Basically you are doing like a half updo, so it's not gonna look like that. So I'm just going to brush my hair first, like so, and take that part a little bit there. So the next thing I'm going to do is take a hairspray, and then I'm going to spray all over the area that I just combed back. I'm going to brush something like this. It will really help you to really take your hair and then comb it back, and making sure that every small baby hair is taken back. As you can see the difference already. So I'm just gonna tie this hair now, and when you are going to tie the hair, make sure that you are really trying to tie your hair where you really want it to be. So I really like the idea of having it right at the, not at the crown, but a bit below the crown, maybe like a inch below the crown, or maybe 2 inches below the crown. Yeah. So I'm just gonna take my hair elastic and then start tying up that part. There you go. It's gonna look something like that. After you're done doing that, take the lower section now, and then whatever is left, just take it upward towards the hair that we just tied. And the reason I'm doing this is because, you know, when you try to tie up the ponytail, it always ends up having that bump at the back. So when you tie your hair up in the half updo, it's really gonna help to smooth out the lower section, and then it will create less bump. I'm just gonna take that hair up like that, smooth out with the same comb. Then I'm again gonna take my hairspray and then just spray it at the back like so, and then I'm just gonna go again one more time with the brush. This time I'm gonna take my bigger elastic and then start tying up my hair all together, and you're gonna end up with something like this. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add in my extension, because my hair isn't that, I mean it is long, but I really want a long hair. So I'm just going to take the elastic band one more time. I'm just going to tie my hair like a 2 inch from where I just tied my hair. There you go. It's gonna look something like that. You can see that. Yep. So I've got my extension here, and because I changed my hair color so many times, I really don't have much of the hair extension that matches my hair color, but this is the extension that I have been using it for a very long time, and I really like the color as well, and I'm pretty sure that it's gonna probably match. Not exactly, but we can make it work. Okay, so I'm gonna take I'm not sure, I might take 3 clips, I'm not sure. So these are the clip-in extension, so I'm just gonna take one first, and then from the exact point where I just tied my hair right there, I'm just gonna start to place the extension. So it's really easy, you just have to go in, you have got that clip like that, and then just clip in there, just like that. So that's one clip, and then I'm gonna take another one again. I think that's pretty thick enough. What do you think? Look at that. It's pretty long right now. I really like how it really looks. So I'm gonna just get away with 2 clip-in. I don't think I'm gonna need to add one more. So after you're done doing that, you're gonna end up looking something like that. So to avoid you know, where you put on the clip-in, to avoid that area, make sure that you just take a little section of your hair, something from the lower section, about that size. Let me quickly from that, and then I'm gonna run my hairspray one more time. And I'm just gonna take it all the way around. Take a bobby pin, and then I'm just going to clip that hair in there, and you're gonna look something like that. As you can see that I've lots of baby hair there, and also because of this tiny hair there is really avoiding the partition to be seen clearly. So I'm gonna take my toothbrush, and don't worry, this is the clean one, and I think we got this in an airline. It's a, what airline was it? The biggest Singapore airline?
I think it was Singapore Airlines Airbus A380.
Yeah, so it's Singapore Airlines A380. They gave this brush, so obviously I had to keep it on. So I'm just gonna take the brush like that, and I've used it quite a few times. So I'm just gonna take my hairspray and then start spraying the spray on the brush. Okay, now I'm just gonna take that hair, just maybe comb right there, and start pressing the hair backward like that. See that? So I'm just gonna take that one more time, and then just gonna brush off all this small baby hair upwards. Oh, the hairspray that I'm using today is L'Oreal Elnet Satin Extra Strength one. I really like this one. So I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair and then start smoothing out with the brush again. So I'm just gonna take a bisection and just start smoothing out. Okay, there you go guys, we got that slick smooth hair. And depending on how straight your hair, you might want to run your straightener through your hair, obviously. And if you want to curl this hair, you can even curl this hair. You can rock your hair by curling as well. And the last step is, it's not necessary, but I like to do it. So I'm just gonna take my Oasis Shine Spray just to give a little bit of shine there, and I think it's gonna add some texture to your hair as well. So I'm just gonna spray it all over my hair. And also like ponytail, obviously. And so you're gonna end up looking something like this. So that's your hair there. Ooh. That's long enough, isn't it? Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you found this hairstyle helpful, and I think this is a kind of hairstyle that makes you look from 0 to 100, if that makes sense, but at the same time it is so easy to create. And if you want me to do this kind of hair tutorial in the future, please let me know so that I can create it for you guys, and I would love to create it, obviously. So yeah, with that being said, I would like to sign off for now, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Love you. Mwah. What is this called? We are the homies, yeah. Make sure. Ooh, mamacita.